Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best window tint. Here are the top 3 window tint that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. MotoShield Pro Premium Ceramic Window Tint for Auto. These wind tints offer superior solar protection, 99% heat rejection, 99% UV rejection, 53% TSER, total solar energy rejected, and 39% glare reduction. All the above protection features greatly reduce the interior temperature to 25 degrees Fahrenheit. Its color doesn't fade, and it helps in energy conservation by ensuring efficient use of the car's air conditioner. The window tints can be used on cars, SUVs, trucks, residential homes, commercial buildings, restaurants, skyscrapers, etc. It comes in 8 different sizes and can be fitted easily without any bubble formation. At number 2. LEXEN 2-ply Ceramic All Windows Precut Tint Kit. Its nanocarbon particle technology film contains a ceramic coating that offers excellent heat rejection. This kit includes window tints for front driver and passenger side/rear driver, passenger side/any or all small triangles and quarter, cargo side and back windshield. The window tint does not get scratched even after exposure to water. It does not let the UV rays pass through, keeping the car interiors safe and tepid. Users can choose tint shades from 45%, light shade, 40% and 35%, medium shade, 30%, 25% and 20%, dark shade, 15% and 5%, limo darkest. At number 1. LEXEN 2-ply Premium Carbon Roll Window Tint Film. This window tint film is made from premium carbon, which makes it a professional-grade automotive window tint. The window tint measures approximately 40 inches x 100-foot roll 2-ply. It is completely scratch-free and blocks up to 99.9% UV rays from entering the car. It provides a cool interior to the automobile and ensures privacy with an efficient wet/dry, heat shrinkability. The nanocarbon particle technology film offers excellent heat rejection mechanism. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.